Hello everyone. Today, the reason of making this video is to share my experience as an educationist, as an educator, and also give small little tips to the freshers who are planning to become upcoming teachers or who have well thought to choose this extremely challenging yet beautiful experience. Being a teacher is not an easy task. With that, I don't mean to scare you all. What I mean is that you should only and only choose this profession if you are full of love and love within yourself for yourself and have lots of patience, because if you have lot of love, you love yourself, you are full of love yourself, then it is uh, then it would be the phase when you would be able to spread that love, which is the most important prerequisite for children, especially the junior for जूनियर क्लासेस. सो आप कोशिश कीजिए कि आपके अंदर पेशेंस बहुत हो और बहुत प्यार भरा हो, ताकि आप जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको आप बहुत अच्छे से डील कर सकें, क्योंकि छोटे बच्चे छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए बहुत बॉदर करते हैं. एवरी सेकेंड मिनट कभी उनको वॉशरूम जाना है, कभी उनको पानी पीना है, कभी किसी ने फ़ाइट कर दी, कभी किसी ने पेंसिल ले लिया, कभी किसी टीचर ने ज़ोर से बोल दिया. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू डील विद. हाउएवर द बेस्ट part and the rewarding part is, even if you are firm, which is also very important, yet you will find that they are so innocent that they are full of love, and they return love in many folds. तो बच्चे बहुत प्यारे होते हैं. हर एक बच्चे की अपनी एक खासियत होती है, एक अपना एरिया ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट और स्ट्रेंथ होता है. एज एन एडुकेशनिस्ट हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हम उसको, उस बच्चे को उसकी स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस के हिसाब से उसकी एनर्जी को चैनलाइज करें और उसे एक सही रास्ता दिखाएं. सो फॉर जूनियर्स वन हैज़ टू बी very patient, full of love, and also firm. Kind of fear factor होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I know with this point many will not agree, but जब हम एक बेस बना लेते हैं, थोड़ा डर होता है बच्चे के मन में, जो कि इवेंचुअली जब आप उसको नरिश करते हो, नर्चर करते हो विद लव, वो रिस्पेक्ट में चेंज होता ही है. So firmness is also required when you have to deal with children who are extremely naughty and will not listen. So थोड़ा सा tactfully वो भी ज़रूरी है. For seniors you have to be like their friend. You have to be again firm, you have to draw that line, you have to be full of love, but over here you have to be very understanding and again be patient. That is one basic prerequisite, but you have to be like their friend. Think from their point of view, because generally क्या होता है जब हम क्लासरूम्स में जाते हैं, वी हैव सिलेबस प्रेशर, दिस प्रेशर, दैट प्रेशर, और बस हम फटाफट अपना इम्पार्टिंग का काम करते हैं और हम चले आते हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एवरीबडी डज दैट, बट मोस्ट ऑफ अस डू दैट. Instead, it should be in a reversal order. For whatever minutes I'm taking the class, my intention and focus should be that every child should take something from me, and not only the bookish or the academic value that I am supposed to give, but education in true sense, the basic etiquettes, communication skills, behavior, and lot of other things, and lot of counseling. Again, I by counseling I don't mean any severity or any medical thing. By counseling I mean कि समझाना, बच्चों को समझना और उनको उनके हिसाब से समझाना. That is a must. So we will you'll see that how things change once you keep yourself in their position, think according to them, and then try to change and mold their behavior, their thought process, and other thing. So this is what I have shared with you, what I have experienced and what I have learned through time, because I have been fortunate enough to teach classes, students from classes 1 to seniors and now to professionals also. So I thought to make this video because even I have learned a lot and developed a lot of patience through time, and I wish and I suggest others to do the same. So if you like my video, do comment, and if you have any suggestions also, do comment on the comment box and let me know how you like the video. Thank you.